Третий класс, английский язык, домашнее задание, теперь я знаю. Страница 118-119. English, Spotlight 3, Homework, Now I know. Page number 118, 119. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I am so glad to meet you. Thank you. I am glad to meet you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 118. 118. Now I know. Vocabulary. Exercise number 1. Look and complete. Теперь я знаю. Словарь. Посмотрите и заполните. Drive a car. Sleep. Ride a horse. Fly a kite. Watch TV. Make a sandcastle. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Grammar. Look, read and write the answer. Грамматика. Посмотри, прочитай и напиши ответ. The answers. Ben swimming. Gary's climbing a tree. Tim's painting a picture. Judy's singing. Pat and Ellie are playing basketball. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 119. 119. Communication. Exercise number 3. Look, read and choose. Общение. Прочитайте и выберите правильный ответ. Are you having a good time? Oh yes, it's great here. Who's riding the horse? Fiona is. What are you doing? I'm painting a picture. Reading and writing. Exercise number 4. Look, read and complete. Чтение и письмо. Посмотрите на картинку, прочитайте текст и впишите правильную форму глагола. The answer. There are a lot of children in the park today. Look, Lime and Jim are playing soccer. Mandy is drinking Coke and her sister Ruth is flying a kite. Karen and Wendy are playing basketball. Their mother, Janet, is sleeping under the tree. Everybody is having a great time. And now we must do the task. Now I can. Talk about activities and hobbies. Talk and write about things happening now. Теперь я умею. talk about activities and hobbies. I love painting the dogs. I got a funny dog. Her name is Judy. She's clever. I love flying a kite and swimming. It's great. Boys and girls, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Good morning, the best to you this morning. How are you? How are you? I hope you're feeling fine and happy all the time. Good morning, the best to you this morning. How are you? How are you? I hope you're feeling fine and happy all the time.
My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.